Welcome everyone. Let's get right to it. The market is volatile today. The short came heavily for those stocks. Where the bottom and where the reversal and where we're gonna have a big buying pressure again for those stocks. So let's start our video with APRN because it has potential to squeeze. However, the short came really crazy on APRN. The market is red. All the stocks is red. Even the stock that have potential to go 100% today, it went down after even the breakout. You see what's happened? The $6.76, we broke it, and we even did alert today, and we said we're gonna have a breakout on this level, and we're gonna have the target around the $8. But we didn't go there, and we didn't hold even the $6.78. What we said on our alert, if we don't have a complete breakout, we're gonna get a reloading phase around our ascending line. That's why the price went around our ascending line and load up as we suggested. And alert before the breakout happened here around this $5.70. You can see it clearly that we have a green candle and the price continued to go higher. What we should expect for APRN after this massive short open after the breakout? We should have today the test for the $8 and even beyond. But if we go here, we see that the market today is crazy red. Yes, all the sectors is red today. So the short came crazy today on all the stocks and all sectors. However, we holding a support for APRN is mean that we still in bullish momentum, get a bit of buying pressure and exploding if we still holding this ascending line. This will confirm everything for APRN if there's a potential squeeze. Because if we go in the most squeeze stocks on Reddit and the most heavily talked about for the short squeeze subreddit here, we see that APRN is number one. After that, we have BBBY. We're going to discuss it, of course, and PRTY and the other stocks. However, APRN is number one for the most talked about it, a stock that have potential to short squeeze. So any price hold above this ascending line, we gonna get a retest for the $6.78 squeeze area and then go again around the $8.39. So now we're gonna get a bit of consolidation and buying pressure. The first resistance to overcome and pre-signaling again is around the $6.36. We don't want to have this reaction get rejected around the $0.36, then breaking ascending line and don't hold the $5.53. We're gonna get this price action on the bottom around the $4.79. Next up, we have NERV is doing good because we get a bit of reversal around the $9.50, and the price went 3% now in green before it was in red when the market opened. We need to hold this level of support that we broke it now around the $11.59, I believe. So now we get a bit of rejection. If we held it by today, the squeeze area, as we said, for NERV or NERV will be around the 1470 to go around the 17 and beyond. So this is the only play that I can see for NERV is holding now. If we want to continue to go higher, if we don't hold this support, is mean we're gonna revisit the $9.54 to do double bottom, and this is the reaction I don't want to see for NERV is breaking even the $8.44. This would be a sell-off. Now we're still in bullish momentum because we holding the $9.50, and better yet is holding by today the $11.70. We might have a squeeze again after we clear the 1470. Let me just go for Tesla. As we said, the price breaking at most important critical level for the support for Tesla, which is the 279. We spoke about this level, double top around the 313. Before the split 3 to 1, it was around the 947, if you remember, because we already did a chart analysis video on YouTube and Patreon, what have you. If you're new here, put a notification so you never miss the new update, price alert, where the rejection area, where the short will get in, so you'll be notified and take your profit or buy around the dip. So what we suggest for Tesla is here is our breakout zone to go to all-time high for this year around the 380. Unfortunately, we didn't. The short came in heavily. So what we should expect now? So this is a reaction will happen. This is now the resistance, the 279. If we don't break it, it means the price will continue to go down. First, around the 235, we're gonna have a hold up here, normal around this area. And if we don't hold it, we're gonna have the 182. If you want to load up around this two technical area, the 236, if you invest, of course, not day trade, and the 180 you can average down and free share of Tesla and other stocks like AMC, because on Momo you can get a free share of those stocks because it's summer exclusive. You can see it here. You can win 10 free stocks, and one of them is AMC and Tesla, of course, Apple, Palantir, and AZO. You have until 15th of September to get those free stocks, and of course how you get them is pretty easy. Open your account with Momo. Second, you deposit $100 in order to get one free stock value between the $8 up to $2,000. So what you waiting for? Get your free stocks with my link in comment section below. A notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open an account with Momo. Let me just check BBBY. Interesting support now tested around this AMA. The moment that we test this AMA, we got buying pressure and the price went up. The price today went above our resistance, but we didn't hold the 1 hour candle. We got fake out and the price went crazy down, and you can see the engulfing red candle engulf all the green candle that we did the day before. So this is bearish. That's why the price continued to go down. The 1430 didn't hold. Now we should hold the breakout zone, which is the $11.57 as the last support to verify that BBBY still in bullish momentum. As for NERV, is the $11.57. We don't want to have any price closing below this level, because this will initiate a sell-off until the $8.24. Just be careful. Everything goes. Now we kind of entered a bit of bearish market because Tesla going down, I think, below a major support. The SPY, I don't know if still above the 400. Oh no, it's around the 397. So this is kind of bearish now. We didn't hold the 404, now around the 397. That's the reason why most the market is down, most even sectors is down, and the potential squeeze for the stocks that we did today for the watch list squeeze stocks have potential to go to our profit taking, but it didn't, because the sentiment of the market is pretty bearish, and the best clear indication for this bearish momentum is the SPY is below the 400. We already spoke about the SPY, that we said if we break this circle around the 430, we're gonna get in bull run, but we didn't, unfortunately, and the price got rejected and went down. This is the first signal for bear entering in heavily, and this is the second signal when we close below the 400, now around the 397. We want one indication left to verify that we enter another maybe 1 week or 2 weeks of bear market, like what happened before here when we got rejected on this ascending line. We got in bear market is beginning from 3rd of March until the June. You see, we got almost like 3 months, then the price reverse and we enter a bull run. So we might get in the same 3 months or 2 months of bear market if we get this reaction going above for the SPY, testing the 404 and never overcome it, and closing below our AMA gonna continue to go down, nearing our support, as we said before, around the 350. If we go back to BBBY and discuss where we're gonna get the reversal and entering bull run again, as we said, we want to hold this breakout zone around $11.57 and then breaking the 14 again. This is the only reaction for BBBY to go to have the $18 and beyond. Otherwise, we're gonna get the $8 and the $6.50 if the SPY continue to go down and never overcome the 400 mark. Let me just go for AMC, because AMC is still holding even after this massive short open for the whole market. We still holding above our ascending line. Look how crazy it is. We have a potential to break the $9.89, but unfortunately we didn't, because the market didn't have volume for AMC to go there around this breakout zone. That's why the price never even test. Now we're still holding. This is a good reaction that the ape buying the dip now, and the price is still holding this support. As long as we hold this support, we're gonna get a bounce to have a breakout. We need to hold this area and consolidate. Even with this heavy selling pressure happening for AMC, we're still holding, so this is a good signal. Otherwise, if the price went from this ascending line, the first we're gonna get a bit of reversal for people who want to day trade is around the $8.50. But the strongest will be around the $7.70. Here we're gonna get a reversal like what happened here. You see here we got a big reversal, and even 100% after this reversal around this area. There's a big opportunity to make for AMC here. You see we get many reversal worth of 50%, and let me just check this one, 50% again, and another one 100%. So there is a potential to make a good amount of money for AMC if you be patient and buy around the price value for AMC, not just for AMC, for Tesla, for BBBY, for the other stocks that have a lot of volatility. This the strategy that we have to make in current condition of the market. Don't panic if the market going down, for the SPY going down. It doesn't matter. Always the market find the support and the reverse. It's not free falling. This has happened just once after 100 years. So the probability of the stock reverse on the technical area, not just buying every dip. This is not strategic trading. We have to be strategic. Buying with the market maker, because the market maker know the price value for many stocks. When they buy, the price will reverse, and not just reverse 1%. As you see it from the chart, speak by itself. Go 50%, 40%, 30% in short span of time. That's how you make money, and that's why the market maker make their money. So don't trade against them, trade with them. Follow the smart money. Hopefully that was informative. We're gonna do update for other stocks, so hit the notification and like button, and see you in the next update.